I want to. Check me out, like, hey, every time I look out, I'm on my lookout, cause niggas trippin', no I ain't hoping, no sense in voting for politicians, all of that hating, don't be creating, food in my kitchen, all of that talking, without no walking, can't help my vision, when I step out, and put my neck out, they try to play me, so I don't go out, without my blowout, brought that 380, all of my brothers, pray for they mothers, cause I can't tame them, got no answer, can't kill the cancer, how can you blame them, I was hoping, I could be open, with all my feelings, but not fuck it, I take that bucket, without no ceilings, I've been praying, but I ain't saying that I ain't stressing, I ain't moping, cause I'm just hoping I learned my lesson. I need G's for all my G's, so could you please try? Off your knees and on your P's, don't let your dreams die. I plant my seed to fill your need, to get your brain food. If you like me, the shit you see, it'll give you strange moods. So I'm just praying for answers, I know they hiding the truth from us. Pray for protection, I know they plotting on newcomers. Right through the city, my reefer reeking, my speaker speaking, my conscience stressing, but I be knowing that he be tweaking. Say I was thinking this weekend, we get to linking up. Roll some of that good in the wood and we fought the linking up. She understanding my language, I think she speaking well. She ease the pain on my brain, it's causing my people hell. And since you looking, I'm looking, maybe we find a way to put your heart to the surface and put your mind away. They dropped us here on a dying planet without permission. No pot to pissing and trying to offer you propositions. What about my struggle be funny? They call it entertaining. Niggas got them snakes in they huddle, watch who you entertaining. All about my freedom, so I'ma need them to come correct it. Thinking I'm your enemy, all your energy misdirected. I shed a tear for my people, I struggle to be connected. I got that call from my cousin, I'm glad we reconnected. Why they always hating on moves we making and trying to slow 'em? Wish I could give you that reason, but I don't even know. Call for your come, I be checking through the peephole. Everything closed this late, but your contacts. Here to catch a vibe, you might catch a little contact. Only thing showing this late be the freak show. Call for your come, I be checking through the peephole. Everything closed this late, but your contact. Here to catch a vibe, you might catch a little contact. Baby, live it up, you know the work week coming. Turn it into profit so the hurt means something. Shine on the competition, shawty, that's easy. Cupid on the collar so the next day freezy. Fresh white tee, ain't good, no stains. Swinging in the rental, got it hogging both lanes. Quarantine clean, but the streets still dirty. Round to the 9 if it's past 8:30. I been on my grind like I'm tryna get sharp. It ain't come with keys, all I did is hit start. I ain't even planned it, but a nigga hit still. Car full of baddies, got me playing fifth wheel. Juke jammer, baby, got the party going up. I do what I wanna, I don't plan on growing up. See you slamming Henny and don't plan on slowing up. Call your boss and tell him you don't plan on showing up. Lungs full of gas with a handful of goals. Boys in a band, get a band for the shows. Stuck it up tall till I stand on my toes. Come and get your man, he'll stand for the hoes. I been on M's, got him hopping on D. Tell the bartender, get it popping on me. Know they see the vibe and I came up quick. See around the city on the same old shit.